Welcome to another exciting edition of Max's Workshop. You're here because you're the best of the best of the best. The greatest show on earth, right? Okay, back to the laser band pass filter. Hopefully we're going to be blinding out our Logitech C920 HD 1080p webcam. It's lightweight, good optics, Carl Zeiss optics. So far so good. Today's subject will be a Mitsubishi DVD. We're gonna go a little shoestring budget, and since we don't have a sponsor or anything like that, we're just gonna wing it. And I think this sad little Mitsubishi DVD player can have a new life rather than just sitting on a shelf out in my garage. We're going to take a look at its filter, the infrared remote and sensors, and basically the hardware inside of it. It's going to lend a new life to our laser modeling. So we want to be able to only see our laser line. You may or may not be able to spy our famous guest, Michelangelo, here on set in our David laser scanning box out in the garage. One thing about being your own cameraman, your own star, your own sponsor, and your own inventor extraordinaire, not to mention fabulous personality, right? So anyway, back to the lasers. It's one of my many obsessions, but this one has a good focus, no pun intended, right? So anyway, the concept is basically video, the laser map, the laser paint the target, basically, you know. Go in, you know, scale is great and all this, but the mesh, you know, you really need a quick, inexpensive laser mesh of whatever subject, whether it be, you know, for me, it's going to be oil and gas. You know, I'm going to be looking at different kinds of modeling for different purposes, but whether you be a computer animator, reverse engineer, a machine shop, you know, whatever, you want to pull out a old part out of a junkyard and you want to laser map it, model it, pull it into CAD, CAM, run it through a system, and then spit it out on a 3D printer. This is where we're heading, folks. So we want to be able to reverse engineer. We want to be able to laser map, and we want to be able to do it affordably, quickly, accurately, and that's part of the drive behind this one here. Anywho, should be interesting.